Hey, how's it going? It's Kevin here, or Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Arno Elementary School here in Allen Park, Michigan. The talk today was about positive life choices, but as it relates to making the first and foremost positive choice to love ourselves and to always choose the positive over the negative, that we give our best efforts, that we always be the best version of who we are, and know at the end of the day it's not about comparing ourselves to this person or that person or what they're good at, but focus on our strengths and make sure that we give 100% in everything that we do. With state testing coming up soon here at the school and a lot of other schools here in Michigan and throughout the country, it's just an important reminder that we focus on our potential, our worth, our value. And a big part of the message too was focusing on how all of us are true miracles. The M on all of our palms etched on each of our hands and upside down for worthy and right side up for miracle. That when we remember this and know that we can actually go farther than we think we can, change our angle of vision and start to really focus on not only seeing this in ourselves, but then taking it a step further as leaders and then going and making the change and helping other people see that, be the light to their hearts, to help them give their best. It's just contagious. So keep following your hearts. Thanks for touching mine. Keep your head up, as the shirt says, even if you get a problem wrong or do something where you think you're failing, because the opposite of success is not failure, it's giving up. You can only truly fail if you quit. So don't quit. Keep going, even when you think you can't go any further, and keep touching hearts. Thanks for touching mine. Hope to be back soon again one day. Peace.